Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syukri Hamdan Hidayatullah, and my student ID number is 2320064. In this video, I will mention and explain the key points of chapter 1 of a book by Gordon Wainwright, and the title of the book is How to Read Faster and Recall More. In the first part of this chapter reminds the reader to determine the direction and where to start so that reading skills improve. Because most people want to reading faster but not paying attention to the right and effective way. Here, good memory is very important for better understanding. A chapter is devoted to assessing the starting points for this training program. Reading speed and post-reading recall. In this section, the writers reminds the reader to measure reading speed and post-reading memory. The readers will find two exercise on the next page, and then reading performance will be tested and recorded by doing two practice that has been provided. By reading it as quickly as possible and still absorbing the information. The exercise will make you understand the extent and your reading ability. Next is presented program structure. The program consists of 5 stages. That is, the first review of present performance, finding out where your starting point is. The second, objective setting, deciding what you wish to achieve by working through the program. Next, methods, exploring the various methods for bringing about improvement and finding which ones work best for you. And evaluation of improved performance, finding out how much you have improved by the end of the program. And the last, ongoing learning, what you will need to do to maintain your improvement and to continue your development as a more efficient reader. Then the first stage, the procedure for the first stage of the process is as follows. The author give a hint that the reader reads each section and only once quickly and might need a stopwatch. You answer the memory test, remembering not to guess if you don't know answer or try to complete the answer. You convert reading time to words per minute. In the next part, there will be two exercises as the author mentioned earlier. The two exercises have 10 questions each. After answering the question, and then average the two results for speed and recall and record them. And the next assessment of results. At this stage, the average reading speed of the two exercises is were between 150 words per minute (VPM) and 250 VPM. Average withdrawal score about 50 until 70%. And don't worry if your results are on the low side. This means that there is much more to be gained from this program. The next step, now that you have some idea of where to start, it's time to start working through the program. What you are about to do is based on a simple fact that some people are naturally faster and more efficient readers than others. The program aims to achieve increased reading skill by develop the right attitude towards reading carry-out work program designed to increase the maximum speed of reading and developing a systematic approach to handling written material. After that, there will also be some further practice presented by the author. So, in conclusion, in that chapter, you have learned how to measure your reading speed, how to test your recall of information, the structure of the program, your starting point of the program, and how to complete the first of the 5 stages of the program. Maybe that's all can I explain about the chapter 1. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.